Hi, this is Devin Elder with Alamo Cash Buyers. If you're looking to sell a house without repairs in Windcrest near San Antonio, Texas, we'd love an opportunity to hear more about your project. We've purchased many projects in Windcrest over the years. Since 2012, we've purchased well over 100 projects in San Antonio and surrounding areas like Windcrest. And we buy houses without any repairs needed at all, whether it's a massive foundation issue, missing a roof, fire damage, you name it, we've seen it and we've done it. So we can buy your house cash. We can close in as little as 3 days, assuming that the title is clear. And a big important point to consider if you're looking to sell a house without repairs in Windcrest is that we are the end buyer. We're not going to assign your contract to somebody else. If we sign a contract with you, we'll close on the house, we'll close it cash. We're not getting a bank involved in waiting or doing any kind of inspection period or anything like that. We're going to come in, we only need a couple of minutes in your house. We're going to tell you where we can be as far as the offer, and then sign a contract, take it to title, and close in as little as a few days. We want to make this the easiest real estate transaction that you've ever been a part of or will ever be a part of in your entire life. It's going to be that simple. So if you have a home that you'd like to sell without repairs in Windcrest, we are based in San Antonio, Texas. We'd love an opportunity to earn your business. Feel free to give us a call. The number's on the screen, or visit alamocashbuyers.com, and we'd love to have a discussion with you. Thank you so much. Take care.